welcome back to Summerhill. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video, I want to invite you to come and decorate my front porch with me. We're going all out pumpkin. So if you are a pumpkin lover, you're in the right place. You definitely want to stay and watch this video. So let's get started, and I will share with you how I decorated my porch, and we'll talk about some other ways you can use pumpkins to decorate your porch. Let's get started. Right with my color scheme, which is orange and neutral. And then this, I discovered at Hobby Lobby, super cute. I thought a big pumpkin would be fun. To go see what's in the attic. I think I have some more faux pumpkins. We'll grab whatever we can find and bring it here onto the porch so we can start decorating. Okay, I have another bushel basket. We're definitely putting that out. And there's a bunch of stuff in here we got to figure out. I do have this pillow cover that might be cute if I can find a pillow to put it in. So let's hang on to that. I think I'm going to use real mums outside unless I find some amazing faux mums like I did at Home Goods. And those are in my decor in the house. This is a paper garland I made. I've used it for many, many years. It is the easiest DIY. And I will put a link in the description to it, but it looks so cute, so we may use it outside. We'll see. Here's a cute little bushel basket, so we'll keep that. I'm not doing these rusty colors this year, so we'll put this away. Okay, so I went up to the attic and I pulled down every mini pumpkin I had. And I'm going to tell you that, like, I was into white pumpkins at one time, but this year I'm kind of liking these terracotta pumpkins, and I've made some, and I've made them where they won't disintegrate because the baking soda trick, I've heard the baking soda comes out. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to make terracotta pumpkins without it coming apart later. I found all my Longaberger baskets up there, and baskets are like classic autumn. I found a few more pumpkins, but I'm gonna be honest, I've never been a fan of this kind of peachy, this kind of pinky one, so we made terracotta him possible. This is what I've come up with so far, and I think this is good. We just need the mums to pull it off. But I'm definitely going with orange and neutral. Sorry about the lawnmower, but my neighbor's mowing his lawn. And this, I mean, he doesn't not go, but it could be better. Now let's give that pink pumpkin a new look. Okay, so I decided to terracotta this pumpkin. Oh, you know what? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me grab one that I've done already. Here's one I have done already. And every bit of this is paint. There is no baking soda. There's no powder. There's nothing that's going to come off. See, like nothing's gonna come off. And it'll stay this way. So, what's my secret? What's my trick? It is folk art terracotta paint. When I went into this project, I said, I'm either going to make terracotta paint or I'm gonna find some. Walked right in Hobby Lobby and found that. So, can you believe that? They have terracotta paint. So this color is Pueblo. And the Pueblo is what gives it this color. But then I used Snowbank to make the white in between. Now, I have a Pottery Barn pumpkin. And he has more darker colors, but you could totally make it look like a Pottery Barn one because all you need is black color. The first thing before we paint is you're gonna need to sand this so it has something to stick to. So I'm not gonna do the stem, I'm just gonna do the body. So you can use a sponge brush or you can use a chip brush like this. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, but I have used a sponge brush to do this too. Trader Joe's has their pumpkins in. So let's head up there and grab a few more to add to my porch. Ready to see the reveal? Here's a before to refresh your memory. helping me decorate my front porch. And I mentioned in the beginning that I would share with you some other ways you can decorate with pumpkins. One really popular item right now that I'm seeing quite a bit on social media is a pumpkin wreath where they take all these mini pumpkins and they fill it up on a wreath. In fact, I was in TJ Maxx recently and I saw some of them there. Another thing you can do is stack pumpkins. Now, if you're using faux pumpkins, you'll have to remove the stem if it has a real tall stem, but you can stack pumpkins. And if you remember back to when I was sharing the outside of Trader Joe's, they had a set of 3 stacked pumpkins there as an example. So think about using stacked pumpkins. And also just scatter your pumpkins everywhere. You can, if you have steps, you can have them going up the steps. You can have lanterns mixed in with them and mums. The sky's the limit. Have as much fun as you want and be creative. Or if you're a minimalist, put 1 pumpkin on your porch decorations. So another idea is to take some pumpkins, carve out the top, and put a tea light in it. And here's a little tip. If you get these little battery-powered tea lights from the Dollar Tree, you can pop that in there, and then you don't really have to think about it. And they're only $1 for like a set of 2 or 3. So when it goes out, you just replace it. But those are all my fun ideas on decorating with pumpkins on your front porch. And again, I want to thank you so much for joining me here. Please subscribe and ring the bell if you're not already subscribed, because I've got more fall decorating stuff coming soon. We're going to be coming inside and doing the interior next. Oh, and a bunch of DIYs. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.